The concept of diacritic marks might be strange for Hindi learners. But in reality it is indeed a relief, because it is these diacritic marks that make reading and writing Hindi more scientific than English. So what do these diacritic marks or vowel symbols do? Each diacritic mark or matra, as we call them in Hindi, represents a vowel, or we can say that these diacritic marks are symbolic representation of vowels used in the Hindi script. Now every vowel adds a distinct syllable to the consonant that it comes after. So we can say that these diacritic marks add different syllables to the consonants. Yes, that means syllables are represented by these diacritic marks. These are all the diacritic marks used in Hindi. And these are the vowels they represent. For example, this is the first consonant of Hindi language, and if we add these different diacritic marks to this one lonely consonant, then it will have different syllables. For example, here it will be read as ka, as in car, with a long a sound. Here it will be read as ki, as in kin. Here it will be read as ki, as in keen. Here it will be read as ku, as in cushion. Here it will be read as ku, as in cool. Here it will be read as k. Here it will be read as k. Here it will be read as ko. Here it will be read as ko.